Good morning, Xavierites. Hope you are doing well in your studies. Welcome back in the EVS session. Today, we are going to discuss a new chapter. In a previous chapter, we have discussed about map, how to make a map by observing things. We can easily draw a map which depicts symbolic representation. Clear? Today, we are going to start something about science. So let us move our journey towards the science zone and try to understand how things happen inside our body. Today, we are going to study about circulation of blood. So let us proceed.
Think and say, have you heard tick-tick of watch? Have you heard the movement of the hands, the tick-tick sound of the watch? Have you ever seen doctor keeping stethoscope on chest and hearing? Now, what can doctor hear? Doctor hear heartbeats. Have you heard heartbeats? Okay, we will know a method through which we can also hear our own heartbeat. Now, this is an activity for you. Observe the picture. Keep your ear on the chest of your friend. You can take the help of your family members. Keep your ear on the chest of your family member as shown in the picture. Hear the sound peacefully. Count beats as sound is heard. So, a normal human being heart beats 72 times per minute. In normal position, our heart beats 72 times per minute. Moving towards the next part, that is on page number 99 of your textbook, about blood circulatory system. Our blood circulates in our whole body. From every part of our body has a connection with the blood. We can understand the same looking at the picture given on the right hand side. Let us know the names of the organs which circulates blood in the body. So, what do you mean by blood circulatory system? Circulation of blood in the body. Every part of the body receives blood. Now, what are the main parts of blood circulatory system? It has three main parts. That is blood, blood vessels and heart. Clear? The three main parts of blood circulatory system: blood, blood vessels and heart. Now, what is blood? Blood is a fluid. It is a liquid which flows in blood vessels. The fluid part of blood is called plasma. Now, what are the functions of blood? Clear? Now, there are three main functions. Blood transport digested food to small intestine and to other parts. Blood carries oxygen to lungs and to cells also. Blood transport waste material out of our body. So this is the function of blood. It transports digested food, it carries oxygen to each and every cell, and it transports waste material out of our body. Now we will know something about heart. Heart is an important organ associated with circulation of blood. Now, what is the location of heart? It is located between the two lungs, protected inside the rib cage. That is the protective area. As it is a very delicate organ, it is located between two lungs and protected inside a rib cage. What is the size of heart? It is slightly larger than the fist. When you close your fist, it is just little bit slightly larger than the fist of human. Heartbeat, normal heartbeats, human heartbeats 72 to 75 times per minute. Now, what is the function of heart? Heart keeps the blood moving through the blood vessel. It acts like a pump and it keeps on working 24 hours, day and night. It continuously pumps blood. Now look at this image. This is the image of heart and it is protected inside this rib cage between two lungs inside the protective rib cage. If you are able to see the bones of the chest, these are called as this is called as rib cage. Now we will talk about blood vessels. Blood vessels are of blood vessels are of two types, and out of those two types, they are arteries and veins. These are major blood vessels. One more blood vessel is there, that is known as capillaries, which are hair-like structure. Yeah. So first we will understand about these two types of blood vessels. Arteries. It is a type of blood vessel which carries oxygen-rich blood from heart to other body parts. That means arteries carry pure blood from the heart to rest part of our body. Then what are called as veins? Vein is a type of blood vessel which carries carbon dioxide rich blood from body parts to heart. From all the body parts, it carries carbon dioxide rich blood. That means impure blood back to heart. Now look at this image and the red lines. Red are arteries and veins are shown in blue color. Now heart pumps blood and the arteries carry oxygen-rich blood to each and every part of our body. While the impure blood, the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide, is carried by veins from all parts of our body back to heart. Now let us make a comparison between arteries and veins. That means difference. Arteries carry blood from the heart to the different parts of the body, while veins carry blood from different parts of the body back to the heart. Arteries carry pure blood, veins carry impure blood. Arteries are placed deep inside the body, whereas veins are slightly outside. Now let's watch a video to understand what we have learned today more clearly.
The circulatory system consists of the heart and blood vessels. If you put your hand on the left side of your chest, you feel something beating. This beating is from your heart. Your heart is the size of your fist. The heart is like a pump. It pumps the blood to all parts of your body. It works 24 hours. There are 3 types of blood vessels that carry blood around your body. The arteries and the veins are large blood vessels, and capillaries are thin hair-like blood vessels. Arteries generally carry pure blood from the heart. The veins usually carry impure blood back to the heart. Doctors use an instrument called stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat. Pulse is the heartbeat. Place 3 fingers on your wrist just below the thumb. You shall feel your pulse. Record how many times it beats in 1 minute. The function of blood is to carry digested food and oxygen to all parts of your body, to each and every cell. It also brings back the waste, that is, impure blood produced in the cells, back to the heart. The heart sends this impure blood to the lungs to be purified. This goes on without any break. Even when you are sleeping, the heart and the lungs keep on working to keep your body fit.
Do you know World Heart Day is celebrated on the last Sunday of September? Very important thing. It can be asked in fill in the blank, so you are supposed to remember this point. World Heart Day is celebrated on the last Sunday of September. In our next class, we will discuss the last page of the chapter, that is page number 100, and do question answers. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe.